I operate a tree removal company out of Delaware County. We service Chester County, Montgomery County, Delaware County, tri-state areas. Been in business for a little over 3 years now for the tree company, and growing every day. One of the things I do love about Targeted Solutions or Tree Leads is that all the jobs are in the same zip code and they're very close. So when you're out doing estimates, your staff can geographically pinpoint every estimate for you in the same area, hit all the same estimates within a couple hours. I was doing 15 estimates and I'd be done by 11, 12 o'clock. It also helps with, managing your crews. Checking on your guys is most important to make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing, but also efficiency, travel time. Targeted Solutions will make sure, when you're doing your bids, that you'll be able to hit those properties efficiently. I decided to go with them because I started slowing down a little bit, and it was the best decision I've ever made. A lot of business, guaranteed leads, low risk, and very profitable in the end when you do all your numbers. So it ended up working out really well.